It is used to set fonts. It is used to set the font of the printer. It is used to set the font of the plotter. It is used to set the font of the pattern list. It is used to set the font of the size list. It is used to set the font of the status bar. It is used to set the font of the output bitmap. It is used to set the font of the marker info. It is used to set the font of the mini marker information. It is used to set the font of the stand line. It is used to set the font of the cut attribute. It is used to set the font of the green line. Thanks for watching.